Do you feel stuck in your manifestation journey? Like nothing is moving forward? Here's the secret. Shifting your energy and raising your vibration can change everything. In this video, I will share with you 4 powerful practices to help you raise your vibration and align with the life you have always dreamed. I have been following these practices for a long time and they have always helped me to get out of a slump or if I ever need an instant energy boost. So stick around and I will show you how you can manifest faster today. If you like these kinds of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's get started. Now, before we get into the practices, let's quickly talk about why vibration is so important. So, quantum physics teaches us that every single thing in this universe has their own frequency. Be it living, non-living, any emotions, any feeling, every single thing has their own vibration and has their own energy. So if we're stuck in the frequencies of fear, shame, self-doubt, frustrations, we cannot be in the frequency of receiving, of winning. So that's why we have to try to get into those frequencies so that we can start receiving all our goals and desires. So when you are in a higher frequency like gratitude, joy and abundance, it's very easy to attract abundance, more joy, more love and all your opportunities and desires. So in this video, we are going to say how we can practically increase our vibration from doubt, fears, shame to gratitude, joy and love very easily to manifest all our desires. So now the first practice, move your body to clear the energy. Movement is one of the quickest way to shift your energy and raise your vibration because it helps release stagnant or stuck energy. You can move your energy in 3 simple ways throughout the day. First one is dance it out. Turn up the volume of your favorite song. It can be anything, hip hop, rock, romantic, whatever you like to dance on. Just turn on those songs and dance your heart out. It can be as silly steps as you want, but move your body as much as you can because that will help you release and move the energy that is surrounding your body and in your mind. You cannot be sad while dancing. That is just not possible. So if you start dancing, if you start moving your body, you will see how fun it is and it will be so easy to increase your vibration from stuck to abundance. The second thing you can do is yoga or stretching or any kind of exercise. So exercise helps us in releasing dopamine, right? That is our happy hormone. If you don't like to go to gym that day or if you don't want to do very vigorous exercise, you can simply do few yoga poses, few stretching before going to sleep or just when you wake up. You can do these simple stretchings. You can search on YouTube very easily. You will get very simple ones and if you incorporate this in your routine throughout the day, even after coming from work, you will see how good it feels and how freeing that feels. Now the third thing that you can do is take a nature walk. What I do sometimes is that I try to walk in my roof at night and just look at the moon and the stars. It feels very refreshing and it feels like we are part of a universe. I like feeling like that. It feels very peaceful for me. Some people like doing morning walks. So you can also do it in the morning and feel the sun throughout your body and not even just sun and moon. If you see few greenery when you are walking, you will see how calm it will make you feel, how grounded it will make you feel and how grateful it will make you feel. So try to incorporate nature walks in your day and you will see how refreshing it will be for you. Now the second practice is surround yourself with positivity. The energy around you impacts your vibration so much. It's a lot more than you realize. So creating a high vibrational environment is very necessary. So first thing you are going to do is you are going to declutter your space. And I don't think I need to tell you that how much decluttering helps even for your ideas. If you declutter your space and get rid of those unwanted boxes, the old clothes or old anything that is not needed and keep a clean environment, you will see it will directly impact your life. Because when you see a clean environment, you can think correctly. You will be able to think in an organized way. If you are living in a very messy environment, it's really tough to focus on one thing. You will see it will help you declutter your energy as well. Now, second thing you can do for your environment is adding uplifting shifting elements in your environment. So it can be decorating your room with simple lights, or you can light a candle, you can burn incense, whatever helps you lift your mood. So I also have few plants throughout my house because I like plants. So it can be anything you want. It can also be some flowers, or maybe you want a different kind of curtains than you have right now. Something that lifts up your mood. So if you have black curtains, maybe some light color yellow or pink color curtains would uplift your mood more. So it can be very simple things or a big change. But if you change few of the things in your environment, you will see it will be very easy for you to be actually happy in the place that you are. And now the third thing that is very, very important is be mindful of the people you are spending your time with. Even if you are a very positive person, but you live with someone who always keeps complaining, it will be difficult for you to stay in a positive state for a long time because you are constantly fighting with that negative energy, right? That's why it's better to surround yourself with people who are positive, because you are the average of 5 people you spend your time with. So if you are spending time with all positive people, you will go a lot more positive. But if you are with positive and negative people, there is a very, very chance you will remain in neutral. So try to be with as much more positive people as you can. Now, the third practice is gratitude. I talk about gratitude all the time, and I don't think I will ever stop, because gratitude have changed my life, and I will not stop unless and until it will change all of your lives too. So practice gratitude when you wake up, before going to bed, all the time. Even when you are just sitting and you are seeing your laptop and you are thinking like you are working so hard. See, you have a job, you have a work to do, right? That is also something to be grateful for. You have a phone where you are seeing this video. That is also something to be grateful for. If you want to be grateful, you can be grateful for every single thing in your life. So if you are feeling down, the one thing you will be doing, no matter what, is saying thank you for everything in my life. You can say God, you can say universe, you can say anything that you like, or even you can say thank you me for doing so much hard work for all my goals. I always say thank you to myself as well. See, I am doing these videos, I am uploading these videos. Even though universe is helping me so much, if I did not record these videos, no matter how many people wanted to subscribe to my channel, they could not. They would not have any channel to subscribe to, right? So thank yourself for taking care of your body, for taking care of your mind, for seeing these kinds of videos, to understand how to live life. And if you are super sad, start with the air, start with oxygen, start with water, start with the very, very basic things, and keep saying that till big thing. You have to be grateful throughout the day. And it is the easiest way, because you will not need any pen, any paper, any phone, anything. Whenever you remember that I told you about gratitude, just say thank you so much. Do anything that you want. I promise you, your life will change so easily and so fast that you will not get the time to complain even. So be grateful as much as you can. This is like the best thing that you can do for your manifestations. Now, the fourth practice is meditation and breath work. So meditation helps us quiet our mind. Now we have to connect with ourselves. So that is why meditation and breathwork is so important. You just have to find a comfortable place to sit and close your eyes and take deep breaths. So you can do it like
1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5.
You can take your breath for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 4 seconds, and then release your breath for 5 seconds. So if you just do this thing, even if some thoughts come, you just tell your thoughts that, see, I'm working on meditation right now, I don't want any negative energy. Keep going on. I won't say it would be super easy, but keep going on. The more you do, the more you will feel calmer, the more easy it will be for you to focus and to get down to your deepest desires. And you will see how much it will affect your whole being. You will feel more free, you will feel more aligned with yourself, you will feel more connected with the universe, with yourself, with your desires. And it will be very, very easy for you to increase your vibration to manifest all your desires. So once you start doing these practices, I promise you, you will yourself see your vibration shifting, your energy shifting, and manifestation working for you Very, very easy. So, if this video resonated with you, let me know in the comments which practice you are starting today. And don't forget to give a thumbs up in the video and share it with someone who might need an energy boost. And if you have been working on manifestation for a long time, check out this video to see the signs if your manifestation are coming right now. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. And thank you so much for always supporting and watching my videos. Let's raise our vibration together and see you next week. Bye bye.